Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to turn on the comments on YouTube using your phone. Now on our YouTube app we're going to go to the bottom right corner where we have our profile icon or initials. So we're tapping on you, and then when you scroll down you will see your videos. You're going to tap on it, and on this video we're going to tap on the three dots here. We're going to tap on edit and scroll down to where we have comments. As you can see, it's currently turned off. So we're going to tap on this, and then we can select on. You could decide to have your content moderation to be basic, strict, or hold all depending on your preference. And then with that done, you can simply tap on back and click on save. But before you do that, it is important to note that if your video is made for kids, YouTube will by default turn the comments off and restrict it. So you might need to change this setting from yes it's made for kids to no it's not made for kids. When you have this selected, you will have control over your comments. After this is done, you can click on save at the top right corner and your video has been updated to turn on comments. So this is how to turn on comments on YouTube using your phone.